Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Tutor. Today, we are going to talk about why learning Python 3 is important. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and in this video, we will explore why it's worth your time to learn it. First, let's talk about what Python is. Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language that can be used for a wide variety of tasks such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, and even game development. It was first released in 1991, and since then, it has evolved into one of the most widely used programming languages. So, why should you learn Python 3? There are many reasons, but we'll discuss the most important ones. Firstly, Python is easy to learn. It has a simple syntax that makes it easy to read and write code. Even if you have never programmed before, you can quickly learn Python and start building your own programs. Python is also an interpreted language, which means that you don't have to worry about compiling your code before running it. This makes Python a great choice for beginners who want to get started with programming. Secondly, Python is versatile. As we mentioned earlier, Python can be used for a wide range of applications, from web development to machine learning. Python's versatility makes it an excellent language to learn if you're not sure what you want to do with programming yet. It's a great starting point that can lead you in many different directions. Thirdly, Python has a large and active community. There are many resources available for learning Python, from books and online courses to forums and discussion groups. The Python community is also known for being helpful and welcoming to newcomers. You can easily find help and support as you learn and grow as a Python programmer. Fourthly, Python has a lot of libraries and frameworks. These libraries and frameworks can help you get started quickly with your programming projects. They can also make your code more efficient and effective. Some popular Python libraries include NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, which are commonly used in data analysis and machine learning. Lastly, Python is in high demand. Many companies and organizations are looking for programmers who know Python. Python's popularity is only increasing, and learning it can help you land a job or advance your career. In fact, according to the TIAB Index, Python is currently the third most popular programming language in the world. In conclusion, learning Python 3 is a wise investment of your time and effort. Its ease of use, versatility, supportive community, and high demand in the job market make it an excellent choice for anyone who wants to get into programming or advance their career. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you next time.